Hi dear children, today we discuss about how do metals and non-metals combine each other or formation of ionic compound. As metal atom have 1, 2 or 3 electrons in the outermost shell. So they easy to lose this valence electron to acquire the nearest noble gas configuration. Same, the nonmetals have 5, 6 or 7 electrons in the valence shell. They have the tendency to get or gain electrons to acquire the nearest noble gas configuration. The metal atoms which lose electron then to form positive ions. The non-metal atoms gained electron, they make negative ions. The metals lost electron. One example, sodium, its atomic number is 11, its electronic configuration is 281. Sodium is a metal. Here, the outermost shell have only one electron. Here, sodium lost this electron, then they get the nearest noble gas configuration, or they are stable. So sodium lost one electron, then to form 281. Here sodium lost one electron, then sodium form Na plus ion. Sodium get a 1 positive charge. Sodium get a 1 positive charge. Okay, the positive ion is formed. The positive ion is called a cation. The positive ion is called a cation. The positive ion is called a cation. Another example, magnesium. Magnesium atomic number is 12. Magnesium atomic number is 12. The electronic configuration of 282. Here the outermost shell have only 2 electrons. Here magnesium lost these 2 electrons, then magnesium form Mg2 plus cation. Magnesium get a 2 positive charge because magnesium lost the 2 electrons in the outermost shell. Magnesium is a metal. Magnesium get a positive charge. Magnesium form a cation. Okay. So metals lost their outermost electrons. Then they form positive ions or cations. Okay. Listen, non-metals gained electron. The non-metals have 5, 6 or 7 electrons in the outermost shell. They want one or two or 3 electrons. Then they acquire the stable nearest noble gas. Okay, so here I write one example. Chlorine is a non-metal. Its atomic number is 17. Here the electronic configuration is 287. Here 1 is needed to outermost shell for stable electronic configuration. Then chlorine gained 1 electron, then to form 288. Okay, here chlorine gained 1 electron. So chlorine get a negative charge, 1 negative charge. Chlorine get a negative charge. Chlorine form a negative ion or anion. Negative ion or anion. Okay, the second example, oxygen. Oxygen, its atomic number is 6, its electronic configuration is 2, 6. Here the outermost shell has only 6 electrons. Here 2 is needed to get the nearest noble gas configuration, or they get the completing the octet. So oxygen gain 2 electron, then to form 2, 8. Here oxygen get a 2 negative charge because oxygen gained 2 electrons. So oxygen get a 2 negative charge. All non-metals gained electron then to form anions. Anion means the negative ion is called anions. Okay. A chemical bond formed between two atoms by complete transfer of electron from one atom to another as to complete their octet and hence acquire their nearest noble gas configuration is called a chemical bond or electrovalent bond. Chemical bond or electrovalent bond. The number of electrons present in the outermost shell or the number of electrons gained, the number of electrons lost or gained by the atom is called electrovalency. The number of atoms gained or lost by the atom is called its electrovalency. Okay, the compound thus formed is called ionic compound. The compound thus formed is called ionic bond. Okay, thank you.